have it that you are experiencing some serious constipation during pregnancy. I know this can be very uncomfortable. It was uncomfortable to me and it's uncomfortable to a lot of women. So I'm going to share with you a very easy chia seed pudding. Chia seed has a lot of research backing its efficacy for managing constipation, especially during pregnancy. So I'm going to share with you that inshallah you would get some relief very soon. Come with me, let's make it together. And here, the chia seeds, my milk, you can use whole milk, any nut milk at all, that's your choice. Yogurt, just to make it fancy, I'm going to use vanilla extract, some sweetener over here, either honey or molasses will do. The star of the show is mangoes. My container right here, and of course, my chia seed packed with fiber. Fiber is the main ingredient that helps to bulk up your bowels. For every portion of chia seed, you're going to have to use 8 portions of liquid. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons and I'm going to add in my liquid. This is whole milk. You can use any milk at all, your choice. I'm going to add yogurt. Yogurt is fermented, super helpful for constipation, gut health, gut motility, and it's awesome. About 2 drops or 3 drops of vanilla would do. Molasses has a lot of iron, but the iron is a beautiful iron that helps your body to absorb it better. This is a beautiful food element that helps you to increase your iron levels. So if you are pregnant, molasses is an awesome food element that you can add into your milk, your tea, your beverages, and everything else that is going to boost up your iron levels, especially if you are in your 2nd trimester, almost in your 3rd trimester, getting ready for labor. And then last would be my beautifully ripe mango. I'm going to just squeeze it in and add that. This is very sweet. I'm going to cover my container and give it a very good shake. Honestly, I like my chia seed a little loose, not too thick. And that helps, especially for constipation, because you don't want to be overburdening yourself with the seeds. The fiber is going to make you more constipated if you are not hydrating, if you are not drinking a whole lot more water than you typically should. So making it a little lighter can make you to go to the bathroom very easily. I only opened it up to show you how it looks. Okay, this is what we have, and then also to try it. taste beautiful. This is an awesome snack as well. So if you are looking for a beautiful healthy snack, this is what you want. An easy trick that you can also do is to add some collagen powder. Collagen powder is high in protein except the amino acid glycine. So it's technically not a complete protein. However, you get all the remaining amino acids in collagen, and collagen helps with the skin, with the hair, with your stretching body, because yes, when you are pregnant, ask the 3rd trimester folks. They will tell you, or maybe you've been pregnant before and you've passed through that. The stretch marks, the dry skin, all of those things, collagen helps so much. So if you can include that in your nutrition, that would be great. So I am going to add a scoop of collagen in here just for the added protein boost. All right. So for this collagen, 2 scoops gives you 20 grams of protein. And I'm using 1 scoop. It's gonna give you 9 grams of protein and 10 grams of collagen peptide. I like to use the Great Lake or the Needed brand. Both are beautiful. If you are interested, I'll put the link in the description box. It's easy and it melts so quickly. I'm going to give it another shake. And next, I'll put this in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. If you want the chia seed to be more gelatinous and absorb all the liquid, you leave it for at least 4 hours in the refrigerator. Okay, so now after some few hours, I have my chia seed ready. So this is our chia seed. It looks so beautiful. And I'm going to add the remainder of the mango. Okay. This is so good, so beautiful. Bismillah. Perfect. Very supportive for constipation. And trust me, when you have this, it is awesomely perfect for pregnancy and postpartum constipation. I know you've seen a lot of chia seed recipes, but trust me, this one, when you try it and drink a whole lot of fluid water, come back and comment and let me know how it has helped you. So I hope this is helpful. Inshallah, I will see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. I have linked my free trimester specific grocery guide in the description box and also in the comment section. If you're interested, you can download it for a seamless grocery shopping during pregnancy. All right.